problem, we want to divide two expressions. One's in radical form, one's in exponential form. So what do I need to do first? Anybody know? Okay, so we have someone with the square root at the top. Well, I don't really want to touch that yet. What are you going to say? Okay, so I want to put them both in radical form. The top one's in radical form, which means it has a square root. So I have the square root of 54 x cubed y cubed. I'm not going to change that yet. It's in radical form. I want to change this into radical form. So if you remember back to the beginning of the year, probably chapter 2-ish, we converted exponential expressions into radical expressions. Whatever we're taking to the fractional exponent goes underneath the radical, so 3xy squared. The denominator is our root. The numerator is our exponent. Okay? So if it's a square root, do I need the 2? And if I'm taking it to the first power, is the first power really going to change anything in the parentheses? No. So really what I have is the square root of 3xy squared. Now in order to divide, the roots have to be exactly the same. We have a square root and we have a square root. They have to be exactly the same. If you have a square root and a cube root, it doesn't work out. They have to be the same. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everything inside the radical. So I have the square root of 15 divided by 3 is what? 18. I have 3 x's on top, 1 on the bottom. How many will I have left? 2. So I have 18x squared, and I have 1 y left.
How did you get 18?
54 divided by 3.
And then we got our x squared because we got rid of 1 x on the bottom.
Right.
So how we, okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right, so now we need to simplify 18x squared y. So I'm going to use my factor tree for 18. So I have 2 times 9. 9 is 3 and 3. Since it's square root, I'm looking for pairs. I have a pair of 3's. So I have the square root of 2 times 3 squared, x squared, y. Can't take the square root of 2 evenly, so I'm going to leave the 2 alone. So I'm going to leave that underneath the root. Square root of 3 squared is 3. Square root of x squared is x. And the 2 and the y stay underneath the radical. Now, if it's an even root, what else do I need to do? Has to be an absolute value of x. It's the square root, it's an even value, so it's the absolute value of x.